everyone, happy holidays.
Happy holidays. Thank you so much for this beautiful year. It's been wonderful sharing it with you. And today we want to show you the inside of our bed and breakfast. And then afterwards,
we're going to show the cottage store. As you might know already, this house was built in 1865, and I feel like it was basically built for Christmas. It is, as you'll see, it's got that Victorian style design, and so what Rafael's done with all the foraged arrangements inside the Victorian house, I feel like is just exactly what it's meant for. So we're excited to show you.
The best thing about our experience here at Park Winners is that we derive a lot of joy from sharing joy with people. And now that we get to share this with you in our YouTube channel, it's been really fun sharing the seasons. And so we've got a lot of ideas for next year, and we're just going to have a lot of fun showing you. So we want to invite you inside and show you the decor from this year. All of the decor that you'll see has been foraged from our property and from some of our country roads around us. So let us take you inside so you can see what we've done. Welcome to Park Winners. I'm excited to show you our holiday decor. Come on in. I'm excited to show you the decor of the bed and breakfast. And this year we did everything with 100% foraged items from our farm and from our neighborhood. And so we have beautiful toyon berries along with white Mexican sage and some cedar pine and this amobium, which is winged everlasting, and some alyssum. So when you see all the decor, you're going to see that we have it in different forms and variations, but essentially it's all the same repeated pattern, but different styling. And so what's mostly exciting is that everything here is repurposed and foraged. And so I want to show you how I did it and just show you what we did here. And it was simple to do and also very fun. So look at how nice this is. We just took this vase and we are using the same exact materials. We're using toyon berries. We added some eucalyptus to this one, and then our pussy willow. Isn't that nice? So just with some pops of green, red, and white, you can make it super festive, and you don't have to break the bank. It's just so cool how you can get creative with things that are growing outside in nature. So we just have a spill of the same toyon berries, amaranth, some cypress, and just a few pops of decor. We decorated all the mantles with different accoutrements, but essentially the same. As you can see, we have eucalyptus and toyon berries and the same. So it's really cool just using some of your vases and some of your holiday decor, and then just like adding this foliage and having fun with it. So in this parlor, we have another fireplace that is styled with magnolias, and the underneath of the magnolias have this beautiful suede underbelly along with Dusty Miller. And the most beautiful part of all this is that this all comes from our farm. So foraging is exciting. My only unsolicited advice to people is to just connect with your inner flower when you're decorating. Don't judge yourself. There's always like that moment where you're going through a uncomfortable bump in the road creatively, and if you think it's tragic, pull it, but I always suggest push through it, because you're going to get to a place where once you pull it all together, it's going to all make sense. And so this is another example of what you can do just by using a mix of different vessels. And we have this simple glass vessel, and you have some olives and some cypress, and as you can see, it's all pretty much the same repeat. So in this dining room parlor, we have a nice spilling of this amaranth, and it just adds just a little touch by like letting things just sort of flop over so that things don't look so linear. And as basic as that sounds, is the way to do it, you know, just sort of like let nature sort of like guide you and speak to you. So there's just little pops of reds, whites throughout our inn. And so just little things that just remind the guests that it's the holidays, but it's not overwhelming. So I want to show you one more thing over here. I'm going to stand next to this so that you can see the scale of this arrangement. But here you have this really beautiful pussy willow that is tall, and then you have the toyon berries, the winged everlasting, and dusty millers, along with some eucalyptus, and here we're using a larger vase. So big or small, you can have fun with your decor. I'm really excited about this pussy willow because we're about to harvest a bunch more that's coming in for this year, and we'll be making some other creative pussy willow wreaths that are super fun, and we'll have them in our store. So this is it for the inside of the bed and breakfast. And if you are in the area and you can come for brunch on a Friday, Saturday, or Sunday, and you want to come and see our holiday decor in person, we have the inside of the inn available for viewing. We also have our Dreamy Cottage store available for viewing, and also our flower farm. You can come and do a dry floral experience still throughout the end of the year and immerse yourself in the magic that is Park Winters. And I have to say that even in the worst of weather, when it's foggy, misty, rainy, or a sunny day, there's always magic here. And so when you can get here is the best time to come.
Here we are at the cottage store, but before we take you inside, I did want to give just a heartfelt thank you to all of you who have been watching our videos. It's been a really cool experience to meet a lot of you in person here at the property at Park Winters. But even those of you who watch us from a distance, seeing you in the comments and being able to communicate with you there has been really gratifying as well. So just thank you from the bottom of our hearts for watching, and we're really looking forward to another great year.
Yes, thank you. And I want to thank everyone for watching us this year and for giving us comments, suggestions, and for coming and visiting our property. We're really grateful for everyone who has shopped our marketplace throughout the year. And I can't say enough, it's been a wonderful experience because our geographic boundaries have expanded in being able to share it with you. So we want to bring you inside of our cottage store so you can see the magic of the products that we sell and also the decor, and we'll share more when we come inside. So come with us. Let's go. So all of our products are from Yolo County people and purveyors that we know and love. And so it's been really fun collaborating with people and giving them a platform to their products. One of my favorite products is this hand salve from Yolo Press. This is where it all started. I always say that when you put this on, you get new hands, and all the stuff that they do has no perfumes, and it's made super clean. All of their hand salves, they have it in this wonderful rose hand salve, and they also have it in lavender. And like I always say to people, that our entire store started with this product because when you put this on, you get new hands. She also makes these beautiful soaps that are all made with an olive oil base. And she has all this really great stuff that we love, her lip balm. And so there's lots of great stuff in here. There's the beautiful photography of Carol Basie. So we have a whole section here in the store of Carol Basie's artwork, because she is someone who has captured a lot of the magic of Park Winters throughout the different seasons. And it's so nice to meet these wonderful people who have such passion for Yolo County and for Park Winters. So when you come here, you can look for Carol Basie's artwork. It's all kinds of vibes, everything from Yolo County landmarks to Park Winters landmarks. And there's just a lot to explore in here. And I'm a big fan of her work. If you haven't seen her work, you can come in here and see it, or you can go on Carol Basie Photography on Instagram or Facebook. Our robes are really beautiful. They're made from the Frate company. And all the dried flowers here, like this pussy willow, will be coming very soon. It's getting ready to be ready. And so we'll be selling some wonderful pussy willow wreaths. We have these great ornaments that are made from our flower farm, and they're all different varieties. So these are fun, and check these out. These are so cool. And we have Park Winters mugs, and our farm tea is sensational. It's made from herbs on our property, and also the honey. The honey is very special because our next door neighbors are the purveyors of honey. We have it in lavender, and my favorite is this orange blossom honey, and it goes very well with the Park Winters farm tea. And here are the curly willow wreaths. They come in nice size. They're very thick, and the cool thing about our curly willow wreaths is that you can reimagine them throughout the seasons. They're pretty thick, and you can style them for the holidays, for spring, fall, and they come from our gardens. So check them out when you come in here, and then you can take the dried flowers that we grow, and you can make your own wreath and embellish it. If you haven't taken one of our dry flower experiences, come here. I always say that if you need to bring down your heart rate, the flower farm is the place to come to. All right, everyone, thank you so much for letting us show you our store. Isn't it cute? We are so happy to see everyone when you come in here on the weekends, and we're just having a lot of fun, but mostly thank you, and have a great and happy holiday.
Yes, thank you. Happy holidays to you all. Thank you.